Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be playing Bee Swarm Simulator, but first, we got a code. It's the code that still works, I'm pretty sure. And then I'm gonna just go right here, just mine. I'm trying my best to mine in every. Now I've already redeemed. This is the only code. Oh, this is a pretty good code. Although I like this code, it's a pretty good code. This is like 100% code, so. Oh, and also there's new Mother Bear. Here's Mother Bear. Defeat one ladybug. I don't want to defeat a ladybug. Feed 10 fruits to your bees. Feed 1 sunflower seed to your bees. Raise 3 bees to level 3. And I don't want to do Black Bear's quest. I don't want to go to the slingshot. I just want to play a lot. I'm just going to make some honey. Honey, let's put my magnet away. Hopefully this is going to be a good thing. And my sister's watching Flamingo in the background, so if you hear some loud things, it's over my voice, so yeah, but that ain't my voice, that's Flamingo's. My sister's watching it, so yeah. And come on, you just make honey, okay. But wait. I need to get something for my bees. Here's a trick. Here's a hack. There's this thing over here. But don't go up the next ladder if you're scared of the bees. Or don't go to the city side. Just spend it on royal jelly. And you get like 10 haste. Ace. And use a royal jelly on something like a duplicate you have or something, but it will probably not work. Yeah, but okay.
Thank you so much. Guys, don't help strangers. Only basics because of it. I got too much paper.
Okay, so we're just gonna try to make this red bee into something cool, please. Hasty bee, okay, I don't think I have that. Yeah, I don't have that. Yay, that's good, that's good. That's good, we don't have the hasty bee yet, so. And there we go, it's level 3. Me.
The only thing I was gonna do is I was gonna send him to clown school.
E, and then
If it's 16, I was gonna send him to clown school. These guys are funny.
the last thing I'm gonna do before I end this episode is show you guys a trick from for a for leveling up your bees in the new update. You can just move around, do everything like boom, 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 boom. And then when they dig, they gain experience. So yeah, that's how you level up your bees. Bye!